Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper cover frame in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new crisper cover frame. The crisper cover frame is located inside the fresh food section near the bottom. It serves as a frame for the glass shelf and holds both crisper drawers. The reason to replace the crisper cover frame is if it's broken, causing drawers to jam. To get to the part, we need to open the door. I'm going to start with removing this shelf out of the way. Now I'm going to remove both crisper drawers. Out, lift, and out. Next I'm going to reach in and I'm going to lift the back of the glass shelf. I'm going to slide it out and we can remove it. Next we're going to remove the crisper cover frame by lifting up the front end and pulling it out. This is the old crisper cover frame next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now I'm going to install the new crisper cover frame. I'm going to slide it in and put it down. Next I'm going to install the glass shelf. I'm going to drop down the rear portion of it. And now I'm going to slide both crispers in. And now the shelf goes back in. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.